Guys, it's me, it's Queen Alset Haru, and thank you for joining me for another wonderful edition of Ask an Aquarius. Today is day 53 of our meditation challenge, and today I picked out a guided meditation for loving kindness. We did one of this type before, but I found another one that I really liked, and I thought you guys might want to check it out. I'm also going to put underneath here, I found a 10 a.m. Eastern meditation class for beginners given by a gentleman who has some videos online. His organization is called Tantric Thoughts, and they do a guided meditation, I know, on Saturdays and maybe another day during the week. So underneath this video down here, you're going to find a link to today's meditation, and you're going to find a link to this gentleman's page where you can sign up for the guided group meditation for beginners if you so choose. Now, this practice that he does is a little bit more advanced, but it's for beginners. So anybody can join at any level of meditation. As a matter of fact, this Saturday, I'm going to check it out myself and see what I think about it. So if you want to check it out too, please click on the link of tantricthoughts.com. Okay? You'll see both of those links under here. See you later.